Alright guys, it's Pablo here with Fusion Cleaning and Restoration, and right now I am doing these two carpets, these two area rugs. They are natural fibers, and I have done a bleeding test, and I did a UV test, and there is no signs of any type of pet damage. What I did is I used my badger, flipped them over. I have this nice grid, and I went to town on it. Now I'm fixing to put them on my pond, and I've gone to create maybe 10, maybe top 10, 20 gallons of ready-to-use solution. I will submerge them, and then I'm going to use that machine right there to agitate it. That will dislodge all of the dirt, and I will flush them. I mean, basically you just want these rugs, they act like filters in a home, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove as much dirt as possible from these beautiful filters that you have in your home. That's the way I look at it, at least. I mean, they're beautiful filters. But anyways, so I'm going to rinse it out until I can see clear water. Once I see clear water, I will begin the extraction process, and after that I will go ahead and hang them so they can dry. I have one rug over there drying, and I'm doing a chair right there, and that one is a synthetic piece, my personal area rug, and I have to do a couple of times. It's looking really nice though. So but anyways, so that's what I'm doing today. If I have time, I will take care of that little guy right there. Same process. I have to do a bunch of tests. I have to dust it, have to vacuum it, and I will put it on the pond. I will figure out exactly how much solution I need. I will put a solution in there, agitate it with my CRV or buffer. If you have a buffer, I guess you can use a buffer. And if you use a buffer, just make sure you're using the white bristles, something soft, especially for delicate fibers. And after that, you will rinse them. You want clear water, at least very clear. Extract it with the truck mount if you have one. Portable will take you a little while. I'm gonna use my truck mount here in just a second. And groom it, obviously, to the lighter side, or the side of least resistance, and hang it to dry if you can hang it to dry. Or if not, you can just always leave it there, fold it almost like a burrito style, and it will dry just fine as long as you have some good air movers going. But anyways, so that's what I'm doing today. I think I might have taken a little too long. I might post some videos later on how things turn out.